Have you ever searched for Canva design, found exactly the one you wanted, and then ask yourself, wait, where did I save this? It happened all the time. You open Canva search bar, type in a keyword, and there it is, your project from weeks or even months ago. But when you want to organize it, move it, or shape it, you realize you can't remember which folder it actually lives in. That's where Canva Details Panel comes to the rescue. It's a small feature, easy to miss, but once you start using it, you will wonder how you ever worked without it. So let's walk you through how it works. Start by opening Canva and pulling up any design or image you want to check. When you see the file in your search results or in your project area, hover over it. 3 small dots will appear in the corner of the file thumbnail. Tap or click those dots and you will see a menu of options. Inside that menu, it's something called Details. Selecting this opens up a side panel with all kinds of useful information about your file. Now, at first, it might look like this panel is just for technical data. You will see things like the file type, whether it's a design or an image. You will see the exact dimension, the owner, when it was created, and when it was last modified. If you have edit tags, they will show up here as well. All of this is great for organization and tracking. But here is the part that changes everything. Look for the section labeled Saved In. This tells you the exact folder where the file is currently stored. No more guessing, no more digging through endless folders, hoping you stumble on the right one. And Canva makes it even better. Next to the folder name, there is another set of 3 dots. Tap that, and Canva will expand the view to show the full folder path in the breadcrumb style. That means you can see not just the folder name, but the entire structure that leads to it, exactly where the file lives inside your Canva workspace. Think about how helpful this is when you are searching. Imagine you type in share images and found your 2025 graphics. Without the details panel, you might be stuck asking, did I save this under blog designs or maybe social media? Or did I put it in a catch-all library I forgot about? Now, instead of wondering, you just click Details, glance at the Saved In section, and you know instantly. For example, you might see that your file titled 2025 Share Images is saved under blog and website, and then inside your Canva library folder. This feature might seem small, but it's incredibly powerful if you work on multiple projects, share designs with a team, or simply like keeping your Canva space tidy. It takes away that tiny but frustrating problem of not knowing where things are. So the next time you find a file but can't remember where do you put it, don't panic and start clicking through folder after folder. Just open the 3 dots menu, choose Details, and let Canva show you the exact location. It's quick, it's simple, and it keeps your creative workflow organized. This is one of those updates that quietly making a big difference. Once you start using the Details panel, you will save time, reduce frustration, and feel more in control of your design library. So go ahead, test it out on a few of your files. Open the Details panel, check where they are stored, and maybe even take a moment to reorganize things if you have been meaning to.